Welcome back to Money Shorts. In Money Shorts 9, we spoke about different ways to save. Today, we are going to talk about all the different money systems all over the world. You get different kinds of money, and they all have different values depending on the country that you are in. This is called currency. The strongest currency in the world at the moment is the American dollar, the USD. In South Africa, we use the rand, and the rand has a different value to the dollar. This value differs on a daily basis, but on this day, $1 costs 16 rand and 14 cents. This is called an exchange rate, and it means that if you buy something in America for $10, that same thing in South Africa will cost 161 rand and 14 cents. Exchange rates and the value of currency, therefore, is mainly influenced by inflation and interest rates. Here are a few examples of the different currencies you get all over the world. You get the US dollar, you get the South African rand, you get the Australian dollar, in Australia of course, then you get the yen in Japan, you get the euros in the United Kingdom, and then you get the pound in Britain. Thank you for watching Money Shorts. Remember to subscribe in order not to miss a new episode.